1.2 order of operations. I can do order of operations.
Agree with our I can statement. Can you do order of operations?
Yes.
And this was a review thing, but you all have noticed, or most of you have noticed, that there's some tricky things in order of operations that maybe we've gotten wrong in the past that we're fixing right now. All right, so our vocab. A couple of things to note. Expression and equation, there's a difference. What is the difference between an expression and an equation? Toby?
The equation has an equal sign and the expression doesn't.
So equation, equate, equal sign. Expression, no equal sign. Okay, so think about the root word. Equation, the root is equal. Equations have equal signs. Evaluate just means what, everybody?
Solve.
Solve and order of operations. All of you pretty much were like set with the PEMDAS when I rolled down to number 2, but this is where we got into some problems. Multiplication and division are what, everyone?
In love.
Addition and subtraction are what, everyone?
In love.
In love. Abby, are parentheses in love with addition? No, I said Abby. Can someone explain what it means by being in love? What does it mean? So we can say they're in love, but we need an explanation. Cameron, can you do it really loud?
Whichever one's first goes first.
Whichever one's first goes first. So if you have an addition problem that has addition and subtraction, 3 minus 2 plus 2, remember that one?
Yes.
We are going to do, because subtraction and addition are in love, we are going to do the operation that comes first. And what comes first? Subtraction. So then we have 1 plus 2. Okay, even though in PEMDAS, addition comes before subtraction, they're in love, so you've got to read left to right. You've got to do whichever one comes first. Okay? Big mistake that we were making early on. Same is true for division and multiplication. No difference. And then we did our practices down below. And I am going to show you number 11, which is where we had some more realizations. As far as order of operations are concerned, we knew that we had to do parentheses first. We did exponents second. We were left with just a subtraction problem. So we go left to right. But when we get to 1 minus 6, that's where a lot of us struggled. And we know that because we're dipping below 0, especially because we're dipping below 0, we should use a what?
Number line.
Use a number line. So we use our number line. We start at the number 1, and we dropped how many?
5.
How many did we drop?
5.
How many did we drop?
6.
6. We dropped 6, and we got to a negative 5. And we did the same thing again. We're at negative 5. We had to drop another 5 to get to a negative 10. Okay? Pay attention to your cheat sheets. Questions before I stop?